Hi, welcome back everyone. My channel Vijay Tutorial. Today is a very important topic of this. So many viewers, so many students asked this question so many times. Me, the PC performance boost, slow PC fixing in the 4 easy steps. Very simple video. Don't miss it, and it is very useful everyone. Nowadays, the first step startup apps, the disable unnecessary startup apps. Sometimes you install some apps in the project work, another work. So after that, you should not use after 6 months or 1 year. You can disable those unnecessary apps and delete it also. And task manager startup tab, go to improve the boot time and instant speed boost. The taken the startup apps 4 steps. First, disable unnecessary startup apps. Task manager startup tab, improve the boot time and instant speed of the boost. The second setup is the your hard disk is so many files, so many movies nowadays download in pirated movies and share it and this storage in your hard disk. After watching this so many times, those movies are not necessary. You can delete the hard disk, delete temporary files, use disk cleanup tools, free up storage, improving your performance also. This place C drive is minimum 20 GB above, free space is available. It is system is working very fast. The start step of background apps running on sometimes in the don't close in very busy time, you can shut down. You can on the system similarly, same processing. The background apps are running the consumption memory power and hard disk space also. You can close unused apps and reduce RAM usage, check task manager, better multitasking. The fourth step is the updated your system and OS also. So many times the your system or laptop is coming, updates are available, the messages pop up in the your right hand screen. That's why you can update Windows and update which OS are using, Mac or Linux, any OS. You can update your systems and mobile also. The update drivers also, sometimes the old drivers are not supported in latest printers or another devices, so many USB devices connected system. That's why you can this the fix bugs and logs. This is the most important. Please share, please comment our tech VGR tutorial point. Thank you.